you're activating your visual cortex, right? So you were activating the visual cortex to receive images and visions from the other dimensions. So now we're going to do the whole thing together. Breathing through the nose, moving the chin into the back, and squeezing the eyes at the same time. So you're going to breathe in and you're going to hold it. And slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in, channeling the air through the top part of the nostrils, squeezing the neck in the back, lifting it up taller, eyes into the back, and slowly breathing out. One more time, let's breathe in. Squeeze it into the back, hold the breath, and pump your stomach in and out. Slowly breathe out. Move your neck side to side. Massage the ears. Maybe you want to pull on the ears. Open your jaw. When you open your jaw, make the sound ah. So open it, like drop it, let it drop. Ah. Move your jaw down. Ah. Make a sound. Now make that sound to come from the back of the head out through your mouth. So it's a ah. So with your palms, go at the jaw here, and when you open it, you push down. You ah. So you have a full stretch here. Yeah? Wow, a lot of pulsation in the back, huh? Okay. Now we're going to take the tongue. We're going to still activate the whole area here with the brainstem. Take the tongue, you're going to go to circles, one direction, 10 directions around the teeth. So full circles. Don't rush. Full circles. Keep going, opposite direction. Bring your eyes into the back of the head. Keep doing that. Okay. Feel all the tension in the back. How are you guys feeling? Good? Bien? Okay. How many of you feel that the activation in the back of the head, then the cerebellum, the nervous system? See if you move it to the side, opening up these areas. To the other side, chin maybe up, looking up, stretching this area.